to YHELP's Talks with Taylor. Today we are here with James Potts Jr., a cooking expert that will be teaching us about cooking. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well.
Okay. What is your background?
My background in cooking is I had 2 children that I cooked for. Also, I've been cooking since I've been 12 years old. And I cook for family and I cook for cookouts, stuff like that.
How long have you been cooking?
Over 40 years.
Who taught you how to cook?
My mother and watching my grandmother. So that's how I learned how to cook. Trial and error.
What is the first thing you learned to make?
First thing I learned to make were homemade French fries. My mother taught me how to peel a potato, cut them the proper way to fry them, and then I made French fries.
Why is cooking your passion?
The reason cooking is my passion is because it makes people happy. When you put a meal together, you put your heart into it and your soul, and when you prepare a meal and you see the expression on someone's face that they had it, it makes you happy.
Why is it important for teens to learn to cook?
Well, they need to learn how to cook because you have to take care of yourself, and you have to learn to cook for yourself, and one day you may be in a position you have to cook for your parents or your brother or your sister.
What are some easy meals for teens to learn to cook?
Well, easy things to learn, or like I said, French fries or chicken nuggets, a salad, even grilled cheese.
If I don't know how to cook, how can I learn?
Well, what you could do is go onto YouTube. That's what people do. I also go on YouTube to pick up recipes, and they have cookbooks.
What is the best way to prep for a meal?
The best way to prep for a meal is that you prep in your mind first. Think about the things that you need, where you have to get your ingredients, and what time you're going to prepare the meal, and actually what day. So you prep it in your mind first, and then you follow all the steps.
Is there any safety advice you can give teens for cooking?
Yes, always keep an eye on the stove that you're dealing with. Do not put a rag on the stove, and do not handle a hot pot with a wet rag. And the reason why, because the temperature goes through the rag and it will burn your hand.
Do you have any advice on grocery shopping?
Yes. What you need to do is sit down, make your list of the things that you need from the grocery store. You will inventory your refrigerator or your pantry. And if you are want to make grilled cheese, you will decide what grilled cheese you want to make. So you put down a list of different cheeses you would like to have and bread. And then you go to the grocery store. They may have sales, so make sure you have sales or coupons.
Are there any other tips you would like to share about cooking?
Well, the main tip that I have to share is that you cook with love. You don't put anything on the plate or on the table that you wouldn't eat. You make sure that you take your time, have passion, have love for it, and then you cook. And don't worry, if you mess up, just start over again.
Well, thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to tune in to the next video. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Hey, don't click out the video yet. Did you like, comment, and subscribe? And also, be sure to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at YHELPNow. And don't forget to check out my blogs at YHELPNow.com. See you later. Bye.